My peace lilies have suffered. This is Pam Hunter from PamsRootedInGreen. I took these outside for my recent plant sale and it was quite windy and they suffered some losses on leaves because of the windburn. So they also need to be repotted. Today, that's what I'm going to do. I hope you enjoy this video. Please stay till the end. First, I'm going to remove these yellowing and dead leaves. Okay, that looks a lot better. Let's do this one. It's not as bad. The yellow tips. I don't know if you can see them or not, but I am just trimming them off. Eventually the whole leaf will go. Okay, this one just shot a new leaf. Old leaves. I'm moving these up to a 4-inch pot. We'll start with this one. Nice healthy roots. I'm not going to take the soil off. I'm just going to add. Just put the plant in and add soil around it. I have my all-around, all-purpose soil here, which is cocoa coir, perlite, some cocoa chips, it's got some large perlite in here too, which is okay. They're all finished. Now I'm going to water them. This is my tap water with Foliage Focus and Pond Start. This is what I water my regular plants with, but I don't water my baby alocasias and monsteras with this. They get distilled water. And my corms. This is the mother plant. Isn't she beautiful? She hasn't bloomed yet, but she will this year. I keep this one light on her all the time, and she's flourishing. And I'm not taking any more babies from her because I'm not propagating any common plants anymore. So there she is in all her glory. I love her. I'll keep her in my collection. I won't sell her. Okay.